What's up, guys? Mike Puma here, Chief Marketing Officer for Century 21 Beggins, back at you with another Marketing Monday. So today's Marketing Monday, we're doing something a little different. I want to really push you guys to think outside the box, whether it's a listing, open house, whatever you're marketing. You have to start thinking more creatively. You have to start positioning yourself as a media company that just happens to be selling real estate. It's really, really important. So when you're creating content, you have to start creating content that you know, or believe at least, is going to bring laughter, engagement, really bring your audience into what you're trying to do. And so we recently had a client who hired one of our agents, and me and him teamed up together. The client wanted an outside the box kind of listing video for the house. It's a beautiful $600,000 home here in Tampa. It is currently listed for sale. This is the result. So watch this and then really let this motivate you from a marketing perspective to think outside the box, get creative, have some fun with it, and go produce some really good content. So hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, put them below. And if you've not done so already, smash that subscribe button for us. We really appreciate it. Thanks.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Bad Realtor again here, helping out Jimmy McNally with Century 21 Beggins. And this is another episode of Bad Realtor Preview, a brand new home, Tampa Palms. Let's go take a look at this thing. Welcome to the preview. Come on in and let's take a look at what we got going on. Come on into the living area here. Gorgeous. Oh, that's my roommate. That's T Swizzy. I'm sure we'll run into him later. But let's talk about this formal living room. Nice fireplace, 12-foot ceilings, great architecture. And here, new floors. Yeah, the floors are nice looking. Oh yeah. I like floors. They're really, really nice. But you know what I like more than floors? Tall ceilings. That's right, tall ceilings, because when I'm doing my workouts, I hang from my legs like a bat when I sleep, so the tall ceilings are like super nice. But who came up with capes anyways? It's not like you can hide a fart or anything like that. Anyway, so come with me. We're gonna go into the master. This is where the magic happens. Come with me. Hold on. There we go. Oh yeah, so first I want you to check out over here. Come here to the bathroom. This thing's like amazing in here. I got 3 mirrors so I can, after I'm done working out, taking my protein shakes, practice my poses. I even do I can't do the floss, I'm not good at that, but it's amazing. Look, you have a shower, so much room for activities. Look, it's like I'm in an elevator. Bing! But then I'm here. That's how I get to the back cave, is in the shower. And then you have the amazing tub. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't use this very often. But still, it's nice and big. Okay, come on. But yeah, that's where I get so fresh and so clean. Water closet, you know what that's for. What is happening in here? Look at this great math. What are you doing? Are you trying to check your email again? What are you doing in my room? Great answer. Alright, so as you can see here, you look at the pool. You get your own little secret bad entrance. It's not really that secret. But when it's shut, it feels like it's more secret. Because it's dark. Kind of like me. Dark. But, oh, look, there's light. Oh, it's so bright. Anyways, you can go out to the pool area. Have your own entrance. But as you can see, 12-foot ceilings over here too. Tons of room. And something that that Swizzy over here and I like to do. We like to play magical closets. Just like hide and seek. That's right. So that's the master. Amazingness. We're gonna play hide and seek. Ready? Go hide. He really loves this game. 10, 11, 12, 20. Here I come. Come on, man. I told you you're too big to hide like that. Got him. That was a nice try, though. Oh, hey. How you doing? I swear I get my thinking done. Staring at trees. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. No. Hope you like it so far, but do you smell that? I smell pancakes. Let's see what we have going on in this gourmet, beautiful kitchen. Come on, you got it. There you go. Oh, that's a hard pancake. Trying this for a little bit, I guess. Do you want some help? Oh, while you're still trying to flip it, let me show you this kitchen. Granite countertops, appliances, water, floor, ceiling. Alright, I think all we need, we got stuff for drinks. There's not a lot of stuff you can do in here. It's nice. Alright, let's go show them the living room. Right here. When I'm not out fighting bad guys like the Joker, this is what we do. Alright, so we're gonna find Swizzy here in a minute. But I'd like to show you kind of the other bedroom, so come with me real quick. This is what we have all those really big parties. And the rest of the Justice League, you know, Wonder Woman, I meant to say Aquaman, Flash, stuff like that. So the Flash doesn't stay because he's so fast, he can just go home whenever, like, and be home like that. But normally Wonder Woman likes to stay here. But her and Aquaman fight for this room because it's so close to the pool. So, I mean, I get it, I understand. Wonder Woman always wins. So yeah, you got this room, and we're gonna go this way. Guest bathroom here. Shower's not as big, but hey, it's still nice. I'm in the shower. I'm in the shower. Don't come with me this way. Won't go too crazy. Let me see if Swizzy's in here. Is that too bright? Alright, let's see. Let's see if he's in here. Nope, not in this one. I know where he is. Ooh, nope. This is normally where he's at. But let's see. As you can see, there's a ton of bedrooms in, and here's another bathroom. And this is... where the hell is he? Okay, so there's only one other spot, I guess. There he is. Oh, he's dropping a deuce. We don't want to go in there when he does that. Take a look out back here real quick. Oh yeah. I love having parties out here. So out here you can see great for entertaining. We got a beautiful outdoor kitchen. Over this way, come on. You got a grill. You can cook stuff. Oh yeah, and you got a great place down here. Put like a refrigerator for my protein shakes. Yeah, a lot of protein. A lot of protein. And then you can come over here and swim. I'm not gonna swim right now. Look at this window. Uh-oh. Swizzy. Well, that's my crib. Thanks for coming by, but you guys need to leave. I got someone coming in, brightening offer. You know you want it. Come and get it. See ya. Batman out.